How's it going, guys? Rio here. I feel like it's been a while since I last talked in front of you guys like this. But anyway, let's cut the chase. I've got a good topic for today. The other day, I went on a little journey. The destination was National Park Oze. The reason for the journey, you know what? I was just kinda over this reality. But okay, it happens to everyone sometimes, right? Additionally, I was feeling like I needed some inspiration. I camped there for 2 days and 1 night, and I want to share what I saw there with you guys. Since the video ended up being a bit long, I'll show it to you guys in 2 parts. Alright, come on bro, are you ready? Let's get started.
Since National Park Oze is located in a mountainous area far from the city, it took about 2 hours to drive there. On the first day, we'll head to the lake at the summit and camp there. And on the second day, we'll hike around the lake and head back down. The total distance is about 9.5 kilometers. Probably, I think it's a pretty easy hike, yeah. To protect the natural environment, we will switch to public taxis partway through the trip. The hike begins on a gentle path. Much of the trail is well maintained, so it's easy to walk. You shouldn't get lost. The colors of the trees and leaves are so vivid and beautiful. I recommend taking your time and stopping to enjoy the scenery as you go. We could sense the vitality even in the frogs. Just as I was thinking, I might be starting to understand how animals feel. It suddenly appeared. You know what? Believe it or not, it's a wild deer. Okay, just to clarify, it isn't Nara. It's rare to come across a deer while hiking. Wild deer don't usually show themselves around the people. The deer really made our hike more exciting. When I'm enjoying the scenery or watching the mountain wildlife, strangely enough, I don't feel very tired. And there was another guest on this hike. It was a squirrel. That was quite a rare experience as well. By evening, we finally arrived at our lodging. To be honest, I'm not very good at, pitching a tent. I'm a little tired. One thing I found a bit interesting was the restrooms. While many public restrooms in Japan are free, here there is 100 yen charge per use to cover environmental protection costs. Alright, it's time for a fun dinner. A beer after a hike is the best. No doubt, come on. I brought some simple instant food for dinner. Even simple instant food tastes great when eaten out in nature. Be sure to give it a try. Well, that wraps up the first day. I wonder if we'll make it back safely. Check out the next video to find out what happens next. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe and I will see you in the next video. じゃあね。